Today I'm going to show you how to use Auto Caption in CapCut. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got my video over here. We're going to go ahead and select that video. Now, once we've selected it, on the top left-hand side, you're going to go over here. You'll see this little toolbar and you'll find captions. Now, once you tap on captions here, you can choose your language, and then you can also choose the option for bilingual captions. Okay, so there are some options, which is a great thing. You can also identify filler words if you'd like to. And then we're going to go down here, click on generate. You'll see that it will take some time. This is a very short 4-second clip, so it'll take a few seconds to generate the captions. However, the longer it is, it will take longer. So once you push play, this is what it looks like. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install TradingView on your desktop. Now we'll notice that TradingView in actual fact was spelt incorrectly. That's not how we write TradingView. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the actual caption. On the top right hand side over here, you'll see it says text. You can also go to caption and you can change that right over here. So let's go ahead and just change the way this is written. So we're going to just do that. That's how you write it. Okay, so if you want some styles, okay, you can see you can change how the text looks individually. You can also go and change its animation, tracking, and then we can go to templates. You'll see there are a bunch of templates. Now this is where the magic happens. There are hundreds of templates you can see over here, and all of these templates will just look slightly different. So let's go ahead and click on the little download button on any one of these templates, and then once you've clicked on download, you're going to make sure you just click on it again so that you select it. And here you can see our captions now look like this. And then again, you can go ahead and you can click on the caption itself and you can just change what it looks like. You can go to basic, change what it looks like here. You can go to effects, you can add effects to your captions. But ultimately, that is how you auto-generate your captions quickly and easily.